Most beginners enter trading for one reason: fast money. And that's exactly why they fail. If you're watching this thinking trading is a shortcut out of financial stress, this video might save you years of losses. I'm Chris. Stay till the end because I'll explain the single mindset shift that separates traders who survive from traders who disappear. 1. Why most beginners lose. Let's be honest. Most beginners want fast profits, trade too often, risk too much, and copy strategies they don't understand. They treat trading like a lottery, a side hustle, or a quick escape. But the market doesn't reward hope, it rewards structure. Trading doesn't pay you for being excited, it pays you for being disciplined. 2. Trading is a business. Here's the truth beginners need to hear. Trading is not gambling, and it's definitely not entertainment. Trading is a business, and every business has rules, risk control, capital protection, and long-term thinking. Profitable traders don't wake up asking, "How much can I make today?" They ask, "How do I protect my account today?" That difference changes everything. 3. What businesses do that traders ignore. Businesses plan for losses. Beginners don't. Businesses accept slow growth. Beginners want instant results. Businesses track performance. Beginners chase emotions. In trading, losses are expenses, profits are bonuses, survival is success. If you can't stay in the market long enough, you'll never become profitable. 4. The real goal of a beginner. As a beginner, your goal is not to get rich. Your goal is to stay consistent, to avoid blowing accounts, to learn how price moves, to build discipline. If you survive your first year without blowing up, you're already ahead of most traders. This is how real traders are built. 5. Simple beginner rules. If you're just starting, remember this: trade less, risk small, focus on learning, not earning, respect losses, protect capital. You don't need many trades, you need good habits. If you're serious about learning trading the right way, click the link in the description and watch the full beginner series. This channel is about real trading, not hype. I'm Chris, and if you treat trading like a business, the market will start treating you like a professional.